What is iPhone 5 specifications and features? While we are waiting for the most anticipated device in 2011, the iPhone 5. Every day we read a lot of rumors regarding iPhone 5. However, we concentrated in this video on main iPhone 5 features. This video should explain what to expect from the upcoming iPhone. Specifications has been confirmed after last Apple's WWDC. What is iPhone 5 specifications and features? Processor, 1.4 GHz, A5 dual-core processor, which means that iPhone 5 will be 60% faster than iPhone 4's A4 processor. A5 processor is already exist on iPad 2. RAM, 1 GB. Storage memory, 32 GB and 64 GB. Screen size, 4-inch OLED screen. Resolution, 960 by 640. iPhone 5 will feature 4-inch Retina high-resolution display. For who don't know, iPhone 4 has 3.5-inch display. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, UMTS, HSDPA, HSUPA, 3G, HSPA+, 4G, GSM, Bluetooth. Camera, 8-megapixel autofocus with dual LED flashlight. iPhone 5 will support 8-megapixel camera with dual LED flash. You will be able to record HD videos with iPhone 5's amazing camera. Video recording, 1080p. HD at 25 frames per second. 720p at 30 frames per second. Weight, 4.2 ounces. Size, 4.82 by 2.53 inches and 0.34 inch thick. Battery life, 8-hour over 4G and 13-hour over 3G, 12-hour on web. Standby time, 420 hours. Away from iPhone 5 specifications, it's important to talk about iPhone 5 release. According to recent rumors, Apple has reportedly placed orders for 10 million units of its next-generation iPhone 5 smartphone with Taiwan-based manufacturer Pegatron Technology, with shipments expected to start in September. A lot of experts expected that iPhone 5 will increase Apple's share in smartphones market. Pegatron Technology has landed orders for 10 million units according to industry sources. As iPhone gross margins are relatively small, Pegatron aims to compete for orders for iPad, MacBook Air and other Apple products and has increased production equipment and employment. For 2012, Pegatron expects to obtain orders for 8 to 10 million notebooks from Acer. Anyway, I will update iPhone 5 features video once we get more information. Stay tuned.